How are you today? This is Teacher Aline and I'm going to give you another lesson in math. Today, we are going to study about subtraction. Do you have any idea what is subtraction? When we subtract, it means we will take away or remove from a group or a number of things. For example, I went to the market and bought, very good, 5 apples. On my way home, I became hungry and I ate 1 apple. But 1 apple is not enough for me, so I ate another apple. In total, I ate 2 apples. So how many apples left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So there are only 3 apples left. Remember, when we subtract, the number of things in the group reduce or become less. From 5 apples, I ate 2 apples. So we are going to remove 2 apples and there are only 3 apples left. So the number reduced. Another example. My mom gave me 4 slices of pizza. And Teacher Aline is very hungry again. So I ate 1 slice, but it's not enough. So I ate another slice of pizza. But again, I'm still hungry. So I ate another slice of pizza. How many slices of pizza left? Can we count? Very good. 1 slice of pizza left. Now kids, I want you to look at the picture. How many circles you can see? Very good. It's 5. And since we are studying subtraction, we are going to use the minus sign. It means when you see a minus sign, you are going to remove or take away. So there's a number 3. It means you are going to remove 3 objects. Let's remove now 3 objects. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And what is the answer? How many circles left? Let's count. 1, 2. So there are 2 circles left. Look at the triangles. How many triangles can you see? Very good. 7. And we have to remove or take away 4 triangles. So let's remove 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many triangles left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 triangles left. Next, 4 hearts. And we are going to remove one heart. And how many hearts left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 hearts left. Look at the picture and count the moons. We have 9 moons and we are going to remove or take away 2 moons. Let's count. 1, 2. So how many left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7 moons left. Count the squares. How many squares can you see? We have 9 squares minus, or it means we are going to remove 6 squares. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is the answer? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 squares left. If we are going to read the subtraction sentence, 9 minus 6 equals 3. Okay, now I want you to make the subtraction sentence or the subtraction story. How many bears you can see? Very good. We have 7 bears. And how many bears are being removed? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bears being removed. So what is the answer? How many bears are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bears left. Let us count the total number of the dogs. Very good. They are 10. And we are going to remove how many dogs? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to remove 5 dogs. And how many dogs are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. To read the number sentence or the subtraction sentence or subtraction story, we will read it as 10 minus 5 equals 5. Look at the picture. What is the total number of the gift? Very good. We have 6 gifts and we are going to remove 1. 1 gift and the answer is, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Let us read the subtraction sentence. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Let us count the total number of the robots. And they are 5. And we are going to remove how many robots? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 robots. And how many robots were left? Let's count. 1, 2. So there are 2 robots left. Can we read the subtraction sentence? 5 minus 3 equals 2. Let us count the total number of the face mask. Very good. They are 8. And we are going to remove how many face masks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 face masks. And how many face masks were left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5 face masks. Again, let's read the subtraction sentence or the subtraction story. 8 minus 3 equals 5. From the previous slides, we learned how to read subtraction sentence or subtraction story. Can you read this one? Very good. It's 8 minus 2 equals 6. So we have 8 objects. You remove 2 objects and there are 6 objects left. Now in this equation, we will identify the parts of subtraction. The number 8 here is what we call the minuend. And the dash, did you see the dash? This is what we call the minus sign or the symbol for subtraction. And the number 2 is what we call the subtrahend. And the answer for the subtraction is what we call the difference. In parts of subtraction, let us remember that the total number of objects is what we call the minuend. And for the minus sign, this is the symbol for the subtraction. It's like a dash. When we say the number of objects to be removed or taken away, that is what we call subtrahend. And the remaining number of objects, or it is the answer in subtraction, is what we call the difference. Let's read again. Minuend, subtrahend, difference. Let's look at the number sentence. 9 minus 5 equals 3. What is the minuend? Very good, it's number 9. And what is the subtrahend? Very good, it's number 5. Because subtrahend is the number of being removed. So you will count the objects that are being removed. And the difference or the answer in subtraction is number 3. Very good. Let's read the subtraction sentence. 7 minus 1 equals 6. What is the minuend? Very good. The minuend is 7 because the total number of cupcakes is 7. And what is the subtrahend or the number that you are going to remove? Very good. 1. And what is the difference or the answer? It's 6. Look at the subtraction sentence. 8 minus 7 equals 1. What is the minuend? It's 8 because the total number of cookies is 8. And you are going to remove 7. So 7 is the subtrahend. And what is the difference or answer? 1. Look at the subtraction sentence. Let's read. 3 minus 1 equals 2. What is the minuend? Very good. It's 3 because the total number of pizza is 3. And what is the subtrahend? Very good. It's 1 because you removed 1 pizza. And what is the difference or the answer? 2. Look at the subtraction sentence. Let's read. 10 minus 4 equals 6. And what is the minuend? 10. Because the total number of ice cream is 10. And what is the subtrahend? 4. Because you removed 4 ice cream. And what is the difference or the answer? 6. It's time for you to answer. Look at the pictures. Can you write the subtraction sentence? Can you tell me the minuend? How about the subtrahend? And what is the difference? Write the subtraction sentence. What is the minuend? What is the subtrahend? And what is the difference? Write the subtraction sentence. What is the minuend? What is the subtrahend? And what is the difference? For your book activities, get your B5 and answer pages 152 to 158. This is the end of our lesson. Goodbye, kids, and hope to see you soon.